Friends, are you looking for a free video conferencing call application with no restriction on meeting time and up to 1000 participants in meeting? Then this is the video for you. Friends, today I am going to explore you another free video conferencing call app. The name is freeconferencecall.com. So just to open your browser and type freeconferencecall.com. And click on enter. So you will be redirected to this site www.freeconferencecall.com. Friends, now let me explore some of the key features of freeconferencecall.com. First of all, it allows maximum number of participants up to 1000, whereas free versions of Zoom, Google Meet and Cisco WebEx allow only 100 participants. There is no limit on number of meetings. You can conduct n number of meetings, and the meeting time limit is also not imposed on freeconferencecall.com, which means that you can conduct a meeting up to 24 hours, 48 hours also. But if you go to Zoom, it restricts your meeting to 40 minutes, and if you go to Cisco WebEx, it restricting your meeting to 50 minutes. If you go to Google Meet, it restrict you for 60 minutes. Another striking feature of this freeconferencecall.com is you can generate user reports, which means how many participants are participated in your meeting, what is their name, what is their email ID, how much time they spent in the meeting. Entire reports you can generate. So even some of the paid versions cannot give you these user reports. Friends, it supports cloud recording space up to 1 GB. Friends, these are the basic features of a freeconferencecall.com. Let me show how to create an account first. Simple, very simple. Friends, just type your email. So just here I am typing my email. And type your required password. Which password you want to give, just type there. So just click on create my free account. So your account got created, friends. Friends, this is the web version of freevideoconferencecall.com. You can do all the things from here also. But if you want desktop version, just go to down. Here you can see downloads. Just click on downloads. And depending upon your system, so if you are a Mac user, just click on download for Mac OS. If you are a Windows user, click on this. If you are a Linux user, then click on this, which means that it is supporting these three OS. So here my system is Windows, so that's why I am clicking on this download for Windows. Click on download. Here this is the FCC free conference call application .exe file. So here double click on this.
Friends, after installation process is over, then a desktop icon will be created. Click on this desktop icon. Now you are able to see three options: join a meeting, host a meeting, schedule a meeting. So click on join a meeting. So here it is asking for your name, enter your email address and online meeting ID. Somebody will offer you to join in their meeting, so they will send their meeting ID. So enter that meeting ID, click on join. So automatically you will be joined into their meeting. Now let me explore another option, which is host. You can start a meeting. So this is called as host. Click on the host meeting. Now it is asking, are you joined with your computer audio? Yes.
Welcome and thank you for choosing freeconferencecall.com.
You are helping people around the world communicate for free. You are the only participant in the conference.
To stop that music, just click on this video. So automatically the music got stopped. Friends, this is a mute option. If you click on this, you will be muted. If you click on the same thing, you will get unmuted. Friends, this is very important option. Audio. In order to listen your voice by your participants, it should be enabled. Enabled means it should be in blue color. So it is video stop, video start. If you click on one time, it will get stopped. If you click on the same icon, it will get started. Now this is invite option, friends. If somebody wants to join in your meeting, you need to share the meeting details to them. So how to share it? Now let me explore this option. Click on this invite button. Now these are the meeting details. So either you can copy to clipboard or invite by mail. If you click on this copy to clipboard option, the entire details will get copied and you can paste it in your mail and you can send to your friends or students. Or directly you can click on this invite by email option so that these details automatically get copied. Just you need to enter the participant's mail ID. Okay. So this is the invite option. Next option is the share option, friends. If you are giving a lecture or if you are conducting a conference, there is some requirements. You need to share PPTs, PDFs, something like that. So for example, let me show how to share this PDF. Okay. So click on this share option. Choose desktop. So start sharing. Now you need to open this PDF. So this PDF is getting open. Yes. Now friends, participants are able to see this PDF. So in this way you can share your PPT or PDF or any file. Okay, this is the share screen option, friends. So if you want to stop share screen option, just click on this stop share screen option. Now this is the record option, friends. If you want to record your meeting, so you need to click on this record meeting, friends.
The recording has started.
It will be started with that prompting. Now it is enabled, which means that recording is happening. Recording process will continue till you stop that recording. So now that particular voice what I am talking is getting recorded. So if you want to stop the recording, just click on the same
This
button.
session is no longer being recorded.
So now recording got stopped, friends. How can you access this recorded video meeting? There are two options, friends. One is after closing of the meeting, after the end of the meeting, a email will be sent to your registered mail ID, so that there are some links are given to the cloud. So by clicking on that, you are automatically able to get your recording video. There is another option. What is that option is? Just go to the freeconferencecall.com login page, enter your email ID, register email ID, enter your password and click on submit. So here you are able to see different options. In this, you just go to last. Here you can see history and recordings. Just click on that. Friends, these are all the history. I conducted a meeting at 10:56, 10:49 and at various times. Friends, at 9:46 p.m. I conducted a meeting and this is the meeting details. So number of participants attended are 1 and this is the 3 MB file got recorded. If you want to download your recorded video, then click on this download. So it is asking for video and audio, online meeting MP4, video audio MP4, audio only. So I am clicking on this video and audio MP4. So I am able to get recorded video.
So after that announcement, the recording will be started, friends. So here I am demonstrating a video for the recording purpose. Friends, are you looking for a...
In this way, you can get the recorded meeting, friends. So recording option is also explored, friends. Then this is the attendees. Attendees means how many participants are there in your meeting. Here you see, friends, as of now I am only the participant, so that's why it is displaying only one attendee. If there is a limit of 1,000 participants or 1,000 attendees can participate in this meeting. So this is the, friends, and this is the chat option. Chat option means your attendees can chat with you with this option, and these are the reaction, friends. So these are the basic options, friends, and apart from that there is a mode option. If you click on this, you will get 3 options. Yes, this is unmute conference. If you wish to unmute all the participants, click on this.
All participants are unmuted.
If you wish to mute all the participants, then click on this mute conference.
All participants are muted and they can unmute themselves.
And in this option they can enable mute and unmute themselves. Okay, now click on lecture mode.
All participants are muted.
Friends, when you are giving a lecture or a meeting, some participants will create disturbance. In that situation, you use this option lecture mode. So your voice only audible to the other participants, but by any means they cannot enable the audio by themselves. Okay, so this is the audio modes, friends. This is the hold. You can hold your meeting by clicking on this.
All participants are on hold.
If you want to click on hold, so you click
all
on
participants
this.
Are off hold.
Now you can lock the meeting also.
The conference has been locked.
If you click on the same button, it will be unlocked. So these are the basic options, friends, and here it is a search bar. Suppose here I am only the participant, so you can easily see my name. Suppose if 1,000 participants are there, suppose something Suresh is there. If you want to search him, so you need to type Suresh, then he will appear. If no participants is there with that name, you cannot get it. For example, here I am writing my name itself. Yes, this is the option, and here you can see if you select any participants, you can see these options. So by clicking on this, you can enable or disable their voice by muting and unmuting. And if you click on these 3 dots, friends, switch presenter. If somebody is there in your meeting, if you want to hand over that session to that particular person, click on this switch presenter option. So lock view, you can lock the view also, friends. So these are basic options presented in this particular free conference call application, friends. If you want to leave, if anybody want to leave the meeting, then just they need to click leave, this option, friends. But if you want to terminate this particular meeting, then you need to click on close. So these are the basic options of a free conference call, friends. I hope you got understood. So this is the best application I have seen so far, friends, because there is no limit on participants. 1,000 participants can be participated in the meeting. No other application allows you with this number. First option. Second option, there is no limit on the meeting time. Third option is, friends, recording option is there. Okay, so you can record your meeting. The last important fourth feature is, friends, you can get analysis. Let me explore this. Friends, you see this is the meeting details. Like this, the statistics of the meetings will be sent to you. So This is the caller name, this is the service type, audio type, or video conferencing, and the start time and end time. So this K9 participant is started joined in this meeting at 5:43. He logged out at 5:48. So these statistics you can get it, right? So how much time they spent, so 1 minute or 142 minutes. So all the participants details you will get, friends. This is my exploration of a free conference call application. If you like, please subscribe, share and like it. Thank you.